Many people have been told that the secret to a strong core is the crunch. They may have performed hundreds, chasing a burn that was promised to deliver a stable, powerful midsection. Often, this doesn't work. The nagging instability, poor posture, and lack of foundational strength remain. The truth is, true core strength is built by teaching the body to resist movement and stay rigid while the limbs are in motion. It's about creating an unshakable pillar of strength. What if a single, ground-based movement could be the key to unlocking that real core strength? This one exercise has the potential to do more for core stability, hip mobility, and lower body power than 1,000 crunches ever could. This one move might just change the way people train their core forever. Before we duck into the details, take a second to zoom out. Turn your phone to the side and subscribe to our Better Health community. As a member, you'll get weekly content on health tips, workout routines, music, superfoods and more. Better health, wellness and fitness. Because better health is for everyone. The core is more than just the six-pack muscles. It's a whole system including the abs, obliques, lower back, and glutes. Its main job is to prevent movement, not create it. When performing a crunch, the spine repeatedly flexes, which is the opposite of what the core is designed to do under load. This is the fundamental flaw in much of traditional core training. Modern, sedentary lifestyles only make this worse, leading to tight hip flexors and weak glutes, which forces the lower back to compensate. The solution is to return to a fundamental movement pattern the body is designed for, the duck walk. Though its name is unassuming, the duck walk is a challenging and beneficial bodyweight movement. At its heart, it is a moving deep squat. Because the body must stay low to the ground, the core has to work overtime to keep the torso stable and upright with every step. It builds coordination, mobility, and endurance all at once. This is functional strength at its purest. Mastering the duck walk is about precision. Begin by standing with feet shoulder width apart, toes pointing slightly out. Lower into a deep squat, keeping the entire foot flat on the ground. Heels must stay down. From this bottom position, lift the chest, keep the back straight, and look forward. To begin the walk, maintain the deep squat. Shift weight onto one foot and take a small, controlled step forward with the other. Then, smoothly shift the weight to the front foot and bring the back foot forward. A few common mistakes can reduce the exercise's effectiveness. The first is letting the chest drop and the back round. To fix this, keep the chest proud and look forward. The second mistake is letting the knees cave inward, a sign of weak glutes. To correct this, actively push the knees out so they track in line with the toes. Finally, many people go too fast or bounce between steps. The magic is in time under tension, so slowing down is crucial. The duck walk is adaptable for any fitness level. A beginner can start with a half-squat duck walk, lowering only as far as is comfortable. As strength and mobility improve, they can gradually go lower. For those who have mastered the bodyweight version, adding a resistance band around the thighs will force the glutes to work even harder. For the ultimate challenge, a weighted duck walk, holding a dumbbell or kettlebell at the chest, will seriously dial up the demand. The benefits of the duck walk are transformative. It forces the core to brace naturally, building 360-degree stability that improves posture and dramatically cuts the risk of lower back pain. By moving through a deep range of motion, it actively improves mobility in the hips, knees, and ankles, a perfect antidote to a sedentary lifestyle. This strength carries over into daily life, enhancing balance, coordination, and making everyday movements easier and safer. It's time to get off the floor and get back to the way the body was designed to move. The duck walk isn't just another exercise, it's a re-education for the body. It teaches the core to be stable, the hips to be mobile, and the entire lower body to work as one powerful unit. It is an exercise that builds a foundation of real, functional strength. Thanks for watching until the end. Let us know in the comments how this exercise has changed your core strength. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.